A drone isn't built, it's engineered, tested, and verified step by step. Everything starts with design, weight balance, airflow, strength, and mission purpose. Only verified materials enter the build. Traceability prevents hidden failures. CNC machines cut motor mounts and structural parts to exact tolerances. Composites keep drones light but strong. Layers are laid, sealed, and prepared to cure. Heat and pressure lock the structure, turning layers into rigid, flight-grade parts. A jig holds geometry perfect, so motors stay aligned and vibration stays low. Motors are inspected before mounting. Smooth bearings mean stable flight. Electronics are integrated like a nervous system. Clean wiring prevents signal and power issues. Sensors must be placed correctly. Bad placement creates drift and unstable control. Propellers are balanced. Small imbalance can ruin footage and damage motors. Software is loaded and calibrated. Motors tested safely before props go on. Every connection is checked. Loose wiring is a common cause of mid-air failure. Ground tests stress the system. Heat, vibration, and stability are verified. Only after a clean test flight is it approved, because reliability is the real product.